teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions, Exercise 5.2, 17th question. So the 17th question is, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. Okay, so this question, it is really important. So please concentrate. So the AP is 3, 8, 13 and so on, and then 253. Okay, so you are supposed to find the 20th term, but here the twist is we are supposed to find the 20th term from the last term. From the last term means we are supposed to find it in this way. Okay, I know it is hard to understand. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to reverse it. Okay, so this is an AP, isn't it? But in the question they mentioned that we are supposed to find the 20th term. Okay, but here no, we are not supposed to find the 20th term like this. We are supposed to find it from the last term. So we are supposed to reverse the numbers. Okay, so we are supposed to reverse the numbers. Okay, how to reverse it? So first, what is the last term here? So the last term is 253. Okay, so here no, according to this AP, according to this AP, now what is the common difference, guys? So 8 minus 3. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is 5, isn't it? So here no, when we just add 5, we get 8, isn't it? So here when I just add 5, so 8 plus 5 we get 13. Likewise, we are supposed to get abstract the values. Okay, so here the common difference is plus 5. Okay, so here since they mentioned we are supposed to find it from the last term, so here the last term is 253. So what will be the previous number of this? So are we supposed to add 5 or are we supposed to subtract 5? That is the question. So the answer is we are supposed to subtract 5. Okay, why? Because we are going from the last term, isn't it? We are not going from the first term. We are going we are just going in this direction. So here you can see the arrow mark. We are going in this direction. So we are supposed to subtract 5. Okay, alright. So when we just subtract 253 minus 5, no, we get 248 and then comma. So when I just subtract minus 5 again, then I'll get 243 and we can write comma so on. Okay, so like this is from the last term. Okay, so like this when I just and so after so on we'll get 3, isn't it? Why? Because according to the AP, so here it is 3, that's why I just wrote it as it is. So I hope you guys understood this. So again I'll explain it. Okay, so in this AP, no, the common difference is 5, not just 5, plus 5. Okay, alright. So why? Because 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. But in the question they mentioned we are supposed to go from the last term. Okay, and then we are supposed to find the 20th term from the last term. Like this we are supposed to go. Okay, so when we just go from this side, from the last term, then here when we just go now, we'll get it as 253. So after 253 we don't know the number, they didn't mention, so we are supposed to subtract it. Why? Because here when we just add the 5, no, we get 8 and then after adding 5 we'll get 13. But if we want to get the previous term of this 253, we are supposed to subtract it. Why? Because this is the rule. Okay, then only we'll be able to find it. Okay, so here the common difference is minus 5. Okay, that's all. Okay, so this is what we are supposed to understand. Okay, just because they mentioned last term only, we are just going from this order. Okay, so after 253 whatever numbers we have, no, like that we are supposed to go. Okay, so we will just go like that in the previous ways. No, from the back ways we'll get the 3, isn't it? So after 253 we'll get 248, 43 and then 3, and so after so on we'll get 3. How will we get 3? By subtracting 5, 5, 5, like that when we'll go on, the time we'll get 3. Okay, that's all. Okay, so now here we know now the A is equal to 253 and the common difference is A2 minus A1. So A2 is 248 minus 253. When we just subtract them, we get minus 5. Okay. Okay, so now what we can do now, we are supposed to find the 20th term. How to find it? It is literally easy, guys, believe me. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, so since we are supposed to find the 20th term, so let us write A20. Okay, so A20 is equal to A plus, so the previous number of 20 is 19D. Okay, and here the A value is 253. So 253 plus 19, so the D value is, so the common difference is minus 5, isn't it? So minus 5. Okay, so is equal to 253, we can write it as it is. Okay, and then 19 into minus 5, it is minus 95. Okay, so 19 into minus like this. Okay, so 19 into minus 5, we get minus 95. Why? Because plus into minus is minus. Okay, and then here we have plus, right? So plus and minus is minus, so it is minus 95. This is a common thing, that's why I didn't just explain it detailedly. So when we just subtract them, we get 158. So this is going to be a A20. So A20 means 28th term. So what is the 28th term, guys? It is 158. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so remember, guys, just because of this word, no, don't get confused. Okay, whenever you have like this, find the 28th term from the last term. So from the last term we are supposed to find. Okay, so this is the last term, isn't it? So from this term we are supposed to find the 28th term. So for finding it, we need the A2 value and the A3 value, isn't it? So when we just subtract it, we'll get it. Okay, so remember, guys, whenever you have AP like this, no, find the common difference. So if the common difference is plus 5, so whenever someone asks you to find the last term, I mean find the AP from the last term, then subtract it. Okay, just do the opposite of it. That is the simplest trick I would like to share. Okay, so whenever you have plus 5, if someone asks you to find the 20th term, 21st term from the last term, just subtract it by 5, then you will get the common difference and then A2 value, A3 value, those stuffs and all. Okay,
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.